Hey guys, I am putting together a quick little video guide for everyone to help navigate and locate certain information on the church website. So what we're going to do today is just go over the Member Services tab, and the way that we're going to do that is pull up a browser, whatever web browser that you're using, type in truelightmbc.org. That is our website, and it's going to bring you to this page. Now this particular video is just for Member Services. Now for Member Services, we're going to click Member Services. Every time that you're not logged in, the screen will pop up and it will say sign up. You'll put in your email, your password, any password that you're comfortable using. There's not any kind of password restrictions or any kind of sensitivity issues that you have to worry about. So whatever it is that you're comfortable using or something that's easy to remember, definitely do that. Now, if for some reason you are already signed up, you can go down here and you can click log in. Now, when you click log in, it's going to have all of the information here if you've already logged in and asked it to remember you. If you happen to forget your password, this is where you can go to remember your password. Now you click go. It's going to bring you to the Member Services page. Now, right here, we have put the due dates. This is not the official request form deadline due dates, but we have over here the left-hand side all of the buttons for the request forms as well as the request form deadlines. Now I'm going to let y'all come back and take just a little review over that. But before moving on, I do want to touch base on two things. One is the due date for the ministry meeting request. Reason being that we have it Monday at 12 p.m. noon is because we send a facility schedule out to the facility superintendent, and having adequate open line of communication without a lot of back and forth as far as trying to slide in ministry meeting requests that are late definitely help to schedule effectively and provide a lot of structure and organization. Also, the announcement requests, they're due every Wednesday by 12 p.m. noon. We actually draft up a proof for the bulletin prior to Sunday, and we will send it out, and our group of members that proof it, they will get one email, they will get one proof, and then we'll correct it, and it just helps to where we have one proof. That way we don't have to send different emails and have multiple ones and not sure which one it is that's actually going out. So that right there is why we are so adamant about these due dates. Now, just going over the request forms, we have a ministry meeting request form. We also have an announcement request form. And one thing I would like to provide that not many people are aware of, if you ever have an announcement that's going out on email, Facebook, media ministry on Sunday worship services, if you have an image, you can upload your image, whatever image it is, put in notes here if you need to, and then you submit, and it comes to me. We send you an email confirmation and you're good to go. Event support requests, same thing. Baby dedication request, and accidentally skipped over church sign request. And then all of the deadlines are right here for those requests. We also have an FAQ page regarding these requests and a few other things if you'd like to take a look. We also have a contact form that you can fill out. If you have a question, please ask, because there may be somebody else that hasn't asked that question that may not feel comfortable asking. So we can actually put those questions, any more that we get, up here. That way anybody can go through them and see if they can answer their own question. If not, I'd be more than happy to help anybody. So then we're going to go to calendar, and I think this is probably one of my favorite. Now, with all of the meetings and events that I schedule, everything is updated automatically here. Anything that would hinder or impose on anyone else's schedule is here. That way, if you happen to need to schedule an event or a meeting, you can take a look at all of this. It kind of helps you coordinate a little bit better. That way you know what is available and what is not available whenever you fill out the request form. That way you can make sure to select something that is available, and then you are more likely to get your request approved versus having to go back and forth and, yeah, this is available, no, this isn't available. So, and if you're curious, you can actually click on there. It tells you what the rehearsal is. It tells you when it is, and it also tells you where it is. Activity building, we have some that are in the choir room. We have some, let me see if I can find one that is a little different. I think this one is different. No, that's in the activity building also. Okay, so some of these are in the overflow, some are in the activity building, the choir room. When we have events, they're parking lot, front and back sometimes, just depends. So that basically is all of the drop-down tabs that we have for member services, and you'll notice that once we logged in, now we have our information here. Prior, it didn't say log out, it said log in or sign up. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to log out, and we're back at the home page. Anybody have any questions? Please shoot me an email, ljohnson@truelightmbc.org, or you're more than welcome to call me at the church, 713-861-8437. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day.